welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make Christmas wreath. Let's start. Let's make a big circle first and then the small circle. We are going to dream on the house. I know it looks funny. A bit. We arrived to swim on the house. I know that is funny. We arrived. Now we're going to cut out with my blue scissors. I know it's small. Chomp. Let me just ring. It looks like Saturn's ring. Now I'm going to make handprints. A perfect soft flipping handprint. Okay. Now let's cut it. I'm looking for light. I made all of these with my hands. Stick on this is Saturn ring. Kidding, it's a kind of ring, but it's something that we are making now. Look at my Christmas wreath. Now let's add some decorations. But look at me. I look like a British lion. Is that so silly?
Yes.
I know too. But after that, we're going to put these on a big red bow and a glue to stick these on. I know, baby, here. This looks like our planet, and this looks like Mars. Don't worry, Earth. Stay there. And this one will be Venus. I know, I'm putting my planets. Now, this is going to be Mercury. I know, this can be Jupiter. It looks like a planet Wreath. Okay, this is Saturn with an invisible ring. This is Uranus. And this Neptune. Eating a bowl, just like the teddy bear activity. We made a bowl for it. Now, I bet you like. Now my Christmas wreath is done. It is a nice thing. Bye. And remember, stay happy and rise up. Bye.